Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to feature a post on LinkedIn. This is a fantastic way to highlight your best content right at the top of your profile, ensuring that anyone who visits sees your most important or impressive posts first. Let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you enter the correct email and password to access your profile. After you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to your LinkedIn homepage. Now look towards the top right corner of the screen where you'll see your profile icon. This is typically a small circular image representing your account. Click on this profile icon and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Post and Activity. This section is where LinkedIn stores all your published content and engagement history. Once you click on Post and Activity, you'll be taken to a new page that displays your LinkedIn content. At the top of this page, you'll notice a few tabs. Make sure you're on the Post tab. This tab specifically shows all the posts you've shared on LinkedIn, making it easier to locate the exact content you want to feature. If you happen to be on a different tab, simply click on Post to switch over. Now comes the important part. Scroll through your posts and find the specific post you want to feature at the top of your profile. This could be a post that performed exceptionally well, showcases your expertise, or contains information you want potential employers or connections to see immediately. Take your time browsing through your content to select the right one. Once you've located the post you want to feature, look for the three dots icon on that post. This icon typically appears in the top right corner of the post itself. Click on these three dots and a small menu will pop up with various options for managing that post. From this menu, select Feature on top of Profile. This action tells LinkedIn to pin this post to the featured section of your profile, making it one of the first things visitors see. And that's it. Your selected post is now featured prominently on your LinkedIn profile, giving it maximum visibility and ensuring your best work gets the attention it deserves. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.